Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Lab. I hope you all are doing well. So today's topic would be Federal Data Protection Law in the US. So the Federal Trade Commission Act, which is called FTC protects the sensitive information to operate the business or business in the US. So that business carried by the companies or by an individual. So there are various several federal laws that regulates the privacy collection, and they are also processing and regulates the personal information like FTC and Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, HIPAA, COPPA, and CAMSPAN TCPA. So section 5 of the FTC Act, which refers to Federal Trade Commission Act. So the section 5 of the FTC Act intends to prohibit the untrade practices or deceptive practices, and it is also applied to the business practices which affects the consumer's privacy policy and the data security. And one more thing, FTC is applicable on the individuals and the companies as well. When we are talking about the notices and the disclosure requirements, then if a company wishes to change any another information in their privacy policy, then company have to company have to disclose the user. Being a user, the user have a right to ask why why are you asking this information. If they are asking the for information now, they wishes to change in their privacy policy, then the company must serve the notice to the consumer, to the user, so that, and they give the opportunity, they give the notice, or they give the opportunity to opt for to not using. If the user is not and the user is not willing to use that application, then they can quit. User has an opportunity to opt out. So the FTC also enforces the COPPA, which requires the website, online serving, and the mobile apps directed to the children that knowingly collect personal information from the children or to provide the privacy policy. So you can also see it out on the COPPA, which is you can search it out on Google. So the FTC behavior advertising principle suggests that companies engaging in the behavior advertising disclose to the customer their collection data and the behavioral advertising, and you can opt for the you can disclose the customer to, and so that they can opt for these practices, and you have to parental consent. You have to take a consent from the parents as well.